Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a pirate called Captain Cuthbert. Captain Cuthbert is one of the characters, he's the main character in my books. I have done a series. Here he is. I get that on camera, that's the first book. Now he's not very nice, he's bossy and he's grumpy and he's selfish. Wouldn't see some of those pictures. There he is, jump to it you lazy lot. Not very nice. And look what he does to the poor cat. The cat's not got a bed. He's there eating his food. And the cat's having to sit there in the rain. The cat's called Scat and he's a nice character. So that's the first one of my books. And then I've got the Cobra Gem, where his greediness, he gets his comeuppance from his greediness, which is good. And the third one in the series is Captain Cuthbert's robot again. His greediness gets his comeuppance again because he gets the robot and he can command the robot to do anything he wants. So you can imagine how bad that's going to go. So that's the fourth one. And this one, he's quite nasty in this one because instead of being Father Christmas and giving presents out, he steals them from children. Lovely. Right, and I also did, because someone I know, a little girl I know likes Scat, the cat, so I did Scat his own book, and it's how he escapes from the nasty Captain Cuthbert, because when he was little, Cuthbert stole him, so yes, when he was a kitten, so that's that. So this, I'm going to draw Captain Cuthbert today. I think I've just dropped my pen. Yes, I have. So, here we go. As I've said in in previous ones, if you feel better using a pencil, when I draw, I usually use a pencil and draw over the top, but because I'm doing this as a video to show you, then I thought it might be better if I draw just direct with the pen, because you can see it better then. So it is easier to draw with the pencil, and then you can go over it and rub out any mistakes. So I shall shut up for a minute, and I'm going to draw a nasty Cuthbert. Here we go. See if I can find him in this book. I've already had the picture up once and I've let it go. There we are. Can't find it. Where's it gone? Oh, there we go. There he is, stealing Scat. There's a kitten. Right. That's showing his nasty side. So I'm going to draw him now. Here we go. So he's got big bushy eyebrows. So we'll start off, I think, with his hat. So his hat is going to go round like that. There we go. And then he's got a bit of a bow on the side here where he's tied his knot to keep it on his head and to draw the bow. And behind that we're going to draw, it looks like a petal actually off a flower. Stop there. And then draw the other one like that. So that's part of his hat. Now we need to be careful now because his eyebrows are coming in. That's why I've just drawn the top. So I'm going to do these big bushy eyebrows. There we go. That's one. And the second one. There we go. That one there. So now it's easier now to join it up. So we can join his hat up like so. And now his beard, his messy beard. So you can do this however you want. I'm just going to go like that. I'll try doing it from this side. There we go. And he's got, as you can see, he has got on here a big moustache. I'm just going to draw his eyes underneath here like that. Okay, and then a nose. So that's his nose. Little black dots for his nostrils. And then his moustache here. So, massive moustache. All the way around, little curls at the end, I think. And then just draw lines. Now if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. There we go. There's his moustache done. So now we need to put the side of his face in. So this bit's a little bit easy, so you just do that. Okay? And the same on that side. There's his face. And we can put the lines across his hat and also on the bow at the side where he's tied on, like that. Okay. So that's in, it's a grumpy. So I'm going to draw shoulders like this. Okay. Now he's got a big collar, so we need to draw that in. There we go, down at that side. And then same at that side. And then I'm going to draw a line up. Okay. And then another line up. And a line down from those lines like that. Okay, and then we're going to join here. There we go. So this is going to underneath. This is his collar, and underneath is going to be his t-shirt. So I'm going to do a stripy t-shirt. He has a stripy t-shirt like that. Now his shoulders. Got broad shoulders on this one. There we go. And now his eyes. So you might see in my other pictures, I've done a little white there and then there. So we're going to leave that white, and then round the edge we're going to draw another circle, just like that. And as you can see, it makes his eyes come alive a little bit. He's got shiny eyes. There we go. That's him all finished. You could do him with a mouth like that one there, where he's shouting and shaking his fist. So you could do whatever you like, different expressions. I'm going to do a video actually on how to do grumpy or sad, different expressions, or laughing, and I'll do it simple and then we'll build up. So you can see he's a bit naughty on that. Oh, naughty! No, we don't say naughty, do we, around here? That's from where I used to come from. I come from Chorley, and naughty means bad-tempered. Grumpy. I'm not sure we say it round here, so I think you deserve an explanation on that one. So that is him. And if you want my books, you can get them on the links below. Oh, I've not done his arms here, have I? What am I doing? He needs some 2 lines there. That's that. So you can get them on the link below. I have also done a read-along one where I'm reading a story on my YouTube channel, which is a Cobra Gem one, and you can watch it for free. You just have to listen to my funny accent. That's the one. So that's the one I've read aloud. So you can listen to this story. There he is. Look at him, that one. I lost him out. He's really angry on that. So that one is one that you can go and listen to. The link is going to be below. I'll put that below so you can get it direct. And all the trailers to my books you will find on my YouTube channel. I'm just going to draw a line under here to finish it off. There we go. So you can, if you want to colour the same colours as mine, it's there. If not, that's completely up to you. If you would like to send your pictures, I will put them on my page, my Cuthbert page on Facebook. So you'll find the details below of how to email me or message me on Facebook, your pictures. All you can do is just take a photo of them. If you've not got a scanner, get your mobile phone or take a photo, and that will be fine to send those along a lot easier. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.